Of all the overlays and oscillators that I've used on TradingView, one of my favorite that I've used throughout the years is the VFI. The volume flow indicator, or VFI, that I use is by LazyVear and LuckF. Now what the volume flow indicator is going to do is tell you overall volume that's flowing in or out of any crypto asset based on the exact exchange that you're looking at. So for example, right now we're looking at the volume flow based on Binance. I like to use Binance because it has the highest transactional volume flow out of any sort of crypto exchange. Now you'll see this tan line here. This is going to be your 0 point. This is really going to signify if anything on top, that means it's going to be bullish. Anything on the bottom side of this is going to be considered bearish as an overall trend. So ideally, when you're looking for long positions, you want to look for plays that are on the bullish side, and when you're looking for shorts, you want to look for things, for example here where you see this double top confirmation. This would be a really nice shorting opportunity because the volume wasn't able to break over this threshold that it needed to get to be considered bullish long term. Every time you see one of these green dots, that means this yellow line is crossing the blue line and the volume trend is picking up into a potential bullish long-term trend. And when you see these red dots, vice versa, that means that the yellow line is crossing under the blue line, which is signifying that there's a potential long-term trend of volume that's leaving the market. And I want to show you with this quick example on why it can be very effective. Now if I zoom in on the VFI and I'm looking at this little play right here, you can see this double top resistance. This area would have been an ideal exit point, as that would have been your resistance confirmation or a really nice area to put a short. Now if we go back to the chart and we look at where that was in price, we can see that just a few hours later we had a massive sell-off, so you could have had a great opportunity for shorts, as Bitcoin took almost a 40% drop in the next few days. If you want to learn how to trade, or if you want to come trade with us, come join the Alchemy trading group.